Having trouble solving your limits? Are you stuck with indeterminate forms? Well, we have the solution for you.
Hi, it's Taylor McLaurin with L'HopiWOW, and you'll be saying wow every time you drink this product. It's like a boost of energy. It's like a tool. It's like knowledge. Let's say you're taking the limit as x approaches 1 of the integral of cosine t dt from 1 to x divided by x squared minus 1. You substitute 1 in for x, and what do you get? 0 over 0. You're stuck. It's in an indeterminate form. But if you take a drink of L'HopiWOW, suddenly you know. You take the derivative of the top function and the bottom function separately until a determinate limit is found. See? It's real simple stuff, guys. L'HopiWOW will have you using derivatives to solve all types of limits involving indeterminate forms. Use it for when you're dealing with 0 over 0 and infinity over infinity.
But wait! What about the other indeterminate forms? You also have infinity times 0, infinity minus infinity, and 1 to infinity, 0 to 0, and infinity to 0. They're all indeterminate forms.
But wait, we have more solutions for you. With one purchase of L'HopiWOW, we'll include other flavors that'll help you evaluate the other indeterminate forms. Let's say you have the limit as x approaches 0 from the right of x ln of x. You substitute 0 in for x, and you get 0 times infinity. That's indeterminate. Drink reciprocalifragilistic, and you'll know. You take the simplest function's reciprocal, in this case x, and put the reciprocal in the denominator. Then, you use your knowledge from drinking L'HopiWOW to take the derivative of the top and then the bottom until you reach a determinate limit. So are you still following me? Let's say we have a new limit here. The limit as x approaches 0 of 1 divided by sine x minus 1 over x. You substitute in 0 and, oh curse words, another indeterminate form. So I'm gonna take a sip of another flavor. Common did not malicious. And now I know. Bam! Let's go. I find a common denominator and subtract. What do you know? Now it looks an awful lot like our first problem, with 0 over 0. I'm gonna use my L'HopiWOW knowledge and take the derivatives until it's determinate. And look at that. Alright guys, this is the best deal yet. This final flavor will help you solve the last 3 indeterminate forms. That's right, all 3 forms. Listen closely. We have the limit as x approaches 0 from the right of 1 plus x all to the power of 1 divided by x. Wait a minute, that gets you the limit as 1 to the infinity. That's indeterminate. Time for a big old gulp of an exponential espresso. It'll give you a refreshing taste of exponent and logarithm properties. Let's remember, e to the natural log of x is just x. The natural log of e to a number is just that number. The natural log of a to the n is n times the natural log of a, which is equal to the natural log of a divided by the reciprocal of n. Now that our drink has us feeling refreshed, here we go. You exponentiate the limit using e and natural log to create an equivalent expression. Move your limit outside of the natural logarithm. Using log properties, bring down the argument's exponent and multiply it in front of the natural log. Now it's starting to look like reciprocalifragilistic problem. Let's take a sip. Awesome! Let's move the reciprocal into the denominator and L'HopiWOW the rest. Only 3 easy payments of the derivative of x squared evaluated at 20.
My name is Guillaume de L'HopiWOW, and I approve of this message.